Hi everyone, Krantesh this side. In this video, I'm going to talk about the exact formula that you have to use to create better ads in terms of video ads, ad copies, image ads, what exactly you have to use. So I'm going to tell you the exact formula. So you don't have to use your brain like this. You just need to fill those component and your winning video ad, your winning ad copy, your winning image ad, everything's gonna be created because this is exactly that what we do for our clients in our advertising agency. Since those of you don't know, I run an advertising agency for coaches and ad tech companies so that I can help them to lead generate and sell their courses, coaching and mentorship program. So how you can not assume that this ad will be gonna winning, and you can now be like sure about that this ad gonna is gonna work in the market. Okay, so before that I'm gonna give you some context about this before using this formula, that you should be very well aware of your market segmentation and the level of awareness your audience, your target audience is. This is something that I've already talked in my previous videos. Okay, so you can watch those on my YouTube channel. And now so just to recap, okay, so according to Egon Schwartz marketing sophistication, okay, what level of competitors are doing in the market, and based upon those we can make our messaging in a right way. So in the previous videos I have mentioned you that the level 1 market sophistication is about there is no competition. Okay, and then my level 2 market sophistication in this level is like we there's a more level of competitors are emerging now. Okay, level 3 is like competitors are like claiming something USP, and now level 4 competitors are having an USP. Now they are also focusing on the kind of result, the measurable tangible results that you could get with that those USPs. In the level 5, customers are well aware of your, there are a lot of competitor. Now you have to tack on the emotions part. Okay, so this is which we all have discussed, and also we have discussed about the awareness of the target audiences. Though so your target audience could be unaware of your solution or the product you are providing. Your target audience could be problem aware, solution aware, product aware, or maybe they're most aware about it. Okay, for example, people are more aware about Apple company, Samsung company, so they just want a good offer on big billion days, Diwali festival, Holi. So then they will just gonna buy it. Okay, so I will also share the screenshot of this thing, that according to the level of market sophistication and according to the target level of awareness, where what exactly you have to positioning your marketing messages, so that so that for different level of market of target audience awareness you could, and different level of marketing sophistication you could create messaging according to that level of market awareness. Okay, so this is I'm gonna share it in a screenshot, or if you ask me, like I will DM to you for because it's like a table and row column image. Okay, now I'm going to talk about the messaging basically. why do we why do we why people click on ads? Okay, first we need to understand this psychological thing, that why people click on ads. Okay, because people are there on Instagram, on Facebook to enjoy, to entertain themselves by watching reels, by commenting on some of their friends and family posts and everything. But why they should be like worry about you are running the ads? Okay, why they should click on it? Okay, there should be something tangible that you may be offering to them, right? There's something the kind of pain point or desire you must be tapping into, right? Then only they will like click on your ad, and then they visit on your landing page, submit their details or make a purchase, and then the whole sales process gonna thing work. Then they will come into your ecosystem, and then it's where you nurture them through your content, email marketing, YouTube videos, and what kind of things that you can nurture to. Okay, or they can even part of your paid membership program, or maybe course, buy a newsletter or something on that end. Okay, now how we can perfect this messaging part? Okay, what exactly are the component of a winning messages in your ads? whether it could be a video ad, image ad, text ad copies, doesn't matter. Okay, if you just incorporate this marketing message formula, okay, you're gonna killing you will kill in your ads. Okay, doesn't matter like you make it you don't have to dance now, you don't have to dance then to make to get the attention of your audience. Okay, so let's start with this formula, and this formula has so this formula is like marketing message. Your winning marketing message is equal to value minus credibility, sorry, value minus cost mitigation, okay, into acceptability. So there are three components of a winning marketing message. First is value, third is the cost, and the third is acceptability. So value, cost, and acceptability. If a user is seeing that your video ad has some value, okay, and it is reducing some of its cost to the target audience, whether it's mental, physical, or time cost, okay. And third is acceptability. Why should people accept you, what you are saying? Is because you have a credibility, you are like disrupting the market with your unique solution, you have an affinity so that people are like mostly considered to like you. Okay, so this is, now I will like talk about the value thing in this messaging part. So I'm gonna again repeat this, you can even write this, that winning marketing message is equal to value minus cost into acceptability. Okay, so first of all let us decipher the thing about value. Okay, what are the things, what are the component of value? When we say value, what are the values that we can put it in our ads? Okay, so see, so there are four component which makes your offer valuable, which makes your ads valuable. First is appeal. Okay, how much appealing is your offer is. It means that what is like the target audience exactly, do they want this, how much do I want this? If you are in the shoes of your customer, so look, how much do I want this from you? Exclusivity. So can I get this from somewhere else? Where else can I get this from? Okay, 100x zoom I can only get in from Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, right? So that is something exclusive. That is getting some value. Now iPhone has introduced some camera button. That is only available in iPhone 16. That is some exclusive thing. Clarity. Do I really understand this? Okay, like the target audience should understand like whatever I'm getting, is it useful for me? Is it going to be helpful for me or not? If you go to a laborer and say that this phone has camera button, take this, buy this, will that person buy? No, because that camera thing is not for him. Okay, that phone is not for him. It's not even though it is value for you, but what for that laborer, it's not useful, right? And the fourth component is what else is in it for me. Okay, it means that what else I'm getting. If I'm getting a camera button, what else I'm getting? Now I'm getting AI thing into iPhone 16. Okay, so now they are like, Apple is positioning themselves as a, now you along with our latest software, you are also get 2 hours of battery life, you are also getting this bezel-less screen, this dynamic screen, and that. So this is how you incorporate the values, okay, inside your when we talk about the value positioning inside your marketing message. So these four components you have to take care. Any four of them you will have, okay, it will increase its value. Any four of it. It should not mandatory to have all four of them, but having one out of four is must. Okay. Now we'll talk about the cost parameter in the formula. Okay. So cost, when we say cost is for cost is like the actual money cost. Okay, how much I have to spend on it, that's one cost. Second cost is mental cost. Okay, how much I have to stress upon myself to learn this, how much I have to study about it to understand this. Okay, and the third is time cost, how much I have to spend, how much I have to daily time spend, how much time I have to give to attend this webinar, workshop, challenge, or something on that end. Okay, so these are the three component of the cost factor. Okay, so first is mental cost, the second one is fiscal cost, like the actual value, money exchange, is it for free, is it for paid. The third is time cost, how much I have to give it to my time. So this is the second component of cost mitigation. Okay, the second parameter in our formula. Okay, now the third parameter of our formula is acceptability. Why people accept your marketing message, why people like even listen to you. Okay, what credibility you have in front of your target audience. So acceptability comes when you are in credible position. Okay, for example, how can we be in credible position, why people should believe in you. So for example, if I say I have been into this industry for last 10 years and I have generated more than 50 crores of revenue for my all of my clients and portfolio, then people see that okay, this person has some like a decade of experience with this much of portfolio management and everything. So then I can trust this person. Okay, no one can like कोई ऐसे फेक नहीं सकता, right? So that is, and then is affinity. Okay, how much do I like you, why someone like you. So when I say that 1,000+ people have transformed their life, it means that if 1,000 people have transformed their life, so you are doing something right, so that 1,000 people have gained value from you and even liked you. When many people are liking something, it is more prone to that you will also like that thing. Okay, that is the affinity wala thing. Disruption is that how well does this garner my attention. Is it like garner my attention is like ki, is it like does it have any USP that taking away my attention toward this ad. Okay, for example, this is going to be a live webinar. Okay, most of the webinars are recorded webinar, but this is going to be a live webinar, so that's why you attended. This webinar is going to help you get a new job. Even though you are in a current job, you can get better opportunities, right? So this is what the every parameter and it has its own component, and out of those component, since value has 4 component, cost has 3 component, acceptability has 3 component. I have told each one of it about you in this video. Now let's see the let's again revisit the marketing formula. The winning marketing formula is equal to value minus cost into acceptability. Okay, so in bracket value minus cost into acceptability. So that this formula you have to use. Now how you have to use this. Okay, if you, for example, let's say you are creating a video ad. Let's say for example I'm creating a video ad. First of all, it's very important to have a hook. So why hook? Because hook is something that will help you to grab the attention, and the rest 3 of the part are the value, cost, and acceptability. Okay, so how you can for example, how you can grab the how you can create the better hooks. Okay, so I will teach that how you can search that better hooks in a different video, but for as of now, you just understand that hook are the some kind of statements that grab attention of your target audience. That's it. Okay, so for example, if I want to write a now I want to write a video script, for example. Okay, and as for Facebook thing, if your video script are lesser than 1 minute, they are going to perform more likely to perform better than longer video ads. Okay, because people do not have time to, even when they are entertaining themselves, they don't have time to watch your 2-3 minutes video ad. Okay, even though you may be at a very critical position, doesn't matter. Okay, people are there not to change their life, people are there to entertain themselves. Now the formula would be like this. Okay, hook, you have to place the hook, you have to create the hook, and then you have to select some credibility. Okay, for example, from the value you have to choose one out of the 4 component. Either you can choose appeal statement, exclusive statement, the clarity statement, or the incentive statement. Okay, and in the selection 2 part, you have to do is either choose the mental cost, fiscal cost or the time cost. You have to reduce that. And the third part of your video script, so you have to improvise the acceptability. Okay, in terms of acceptability, you can either showcase credibility, affinity, or a disruption. Okay, and then you have to make it like four component of your, so there are four component of your video ad. Okay, first is hook, then one component from value, one component from cost, one component from acceptability, and the last one is CTA, and that's it. So let me just create one thing, one example for you. Let me just like recite one example for you that I've written. For example, if I am like, if I'm doing a challenge, maybe, okay, if I'm doing a challenge for business coaches or maybe online coaches, what I can say is, are you tired of feeling like no matter what you do, you can't grow your business? Okay, this is the hook part. Okay, now I will choose something, some component from the value. Now I will say, if that's you, you are in the right place. We created the world first training program for entrepreneurs to learn how to grow and scale their business using paid traffic. Okay, this is my value, that I am giving them some exclusivity that they can grow their business via paid traffic. The second component is that is also getting from the value component, that we are doing a free 7 days challenge designed to help you create marketing strategy that you can execute to grow your business and finally get back to doing your main job. Okay, so this is what I'm giving them a clarity, that if this is for free, this is 7 day challenge, if you do this, you can grow your business and you can also get back to doing the same job, because it's a 7 day challenge. So in this particular statements, I am giving them some clarity. Now if I talk about the third selection of my part, I will tell them that to do this in less than 20 minutes a day, you can finally get the revenue you deserve. The next 7 days could change your business forever. So this is how I am telling them that their time will reduce if they use if they enroll for this 7 days. So I'm telling them this is for free also, and also they will only have to spend 20 minutes a day in this 7 day challenge. Okay, and in the last CT, I will tell them, if this interests you, click the link below to reserve your spot. It's absolutely free, but we will run out of spots, so hurry, don't delay. Click below to get started. Okay, so this is a CTA. So in this four component, I have finished my ad. You don't have to like do so much of things. Okay, and now you can jumble all these three components like this, here and there, and you can create many variation of video ads, many variation of ad script. You can create many variation of image ads just by doing these three jumbling of kind of thing. Okay, and another example I will tell you, like if we keep the hook same, for example, are you tired of feeling like no matter what you do, you can't grow a business? First is the first hook. Then we are making the selection, the second component of our ad. If that's you, you are in right place. We have created the world first training program for our entrepreneurs to learn how to grow and scale their business using paid traffic. Second is okay. So this is same only. We are doing a free 7 days challenge designed to help you create a marketing strategy that you can execute to grow your business and finally get back to doing your main job. Third component is, in less than 20 minutes a day, you can finally get the revenue you deserve, that the next 7 days could change your business forever. If this interests you, click the link below and get started, because we will be running out of slot very soon. Okay, so this is how you can create a perfect winning messages. Okay, and after this I will put the image also, that you can reduce your market sophistication and the level of awareness of your target audience. Okay, so I hope this video is useful, because this has took me many like diagnosis of the how to create winning ads after reviewing many of my competitors ad, many of my our client ads also. So thank you so much.